Hello, my name is Kimberly Silva and I am a sociology major. I am a fourth year at UCI.
Hello, my name is Jessica Apolategi, and I am a third-year computer science major.
Hi, this is Xin Yi, and I'm a fourth-year econ major.
Hi, my name is Catherine Chow. I am a third-year business administration major, and I'm part of Group 17.
Hi, my name is Lisa. I am a second-year business administration major.
My name is Sharon, and I'm a third-year business administration major.
Hi, my name is Jessica Oh, and I am a third-year business admin major.
Hi, my name is Sandy Nguyen. I am a second-year business administration major, and I am emphasizing in information systems and minoring in informatics. Today we chose Allbirds as our group project emphasis because Allbirds is a footwear company that is known for making the world's most comfortable shoe and has been featured on BuzzFeed, Forbes, and etc. Also, because Allbirds has really good sustainability practices, so the upper sole is made of, I believe, sugarcane, and the rest of it is made from sustainably sourced merino wool. But that's practically why we chose Allbirds, mainly because of their sustainability initiatives, and that's about it.
Allbirds is a New Zealand American footwear company founded by Tim Brown. It uses a direct-to-consumer approach and is a certified B Corporation company. In 2018, Allbirds' total evaluation was $1.4 billion. The first Allbirds shoe was the Wool Runner. Since then, Allbirds has expanded its footwear collection to include Smallbirds, a shoe line for children, as well as flip-flops, eucalyptus tree runners, and wool socks. Allbirds has also partnered with various companies. In 2017, Allbirds collaborated with Outdoor Voices, an American clothing company, to create 2 limited edition colors of the Wool Runners. For one day in 2018, Allbirds partnered with Shake Shack to sell Shake Shack branded tree runner shoes in New York. Allbirds has also partnered with Air New Zealand to create an eye mask for business class passengers.
Allbirds primarily used merino wool as the material for the launch product, but quickly expanded with other natural materials such as eucalyptus tree in their eucalyptus tree runners and tree skippers, and sweet foam, which is derived from sugarcane, for flip-flops.
Allbirds' unique selling point center around being the world's most comfortable shoes. This message is woven into all of their paid and non-paid advertising efforts. Most of the advertising rely on online platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Google. In order to have more new customers, Allbirds offer free shippings and returns for every product. Furthermore, they also offer 30-day free trial for new customers.
Allbirds is known for its impressive sustainability efforts. Because they work with wool as opposed to synthetic fabrics, the Allbirds manufacturing process uses about 60% less energy than materials used in other shoes. Allbirds also works to ensure safe and fair treatment of the people and animals with which they work by partnering with lead organizations like ZQ Merino, which is an ethical wool brand. Allbirds also uses plastic bottles to make their shoes, and they use packaging made up of 90% recycled cardboard. The tree fiber that Allbirds uses in their manufacturing process is sourced from South African farms that minimize fertilizer and rely on rainfall, not irrigation. Allbirds also takes a variety of other measures in order to achieve their impressive sustainability initiatives.